I want to show you real quick how to get into iCivics.org. You go to iCivics.org, and then over here you're going to hit sign in. You're going to push register as a student, and then wait, I have a class code. Okay, and then you're going to put your class code, your first and last name, and then I think you can do this a couple times if you want a username, but I think after you do it however many times, it's a username you are stuck with. Let's see if I can show you your class codes. You can hit pause now, and this is first period, second, third, fifth, sixth, and seventh period. These are the class codes. I'm the only one who can see the class, so I need you to go in, put your first and last name, find your class, and go ahead and register. As you can see, there are some assignments I did for these sections, and I'm going to add some, just testing it to see how it interacts. I think iCivics, we did this in the very beginning. We used Who Rules, and that was a really good lesson. It was fun reading, and I think they've got some good stuff on the election. So I want to make sure we all get signed in. So go ahead and do that, and then stay tuned for further instructions.